An account health specialist call is not Amazon helping you. It's Amazon evaluating you. One wrong answer can trigger to a suspension. So let me show you the biggest mistakes sellers make on account of specialist call, like this contact us button and using the call now button on this account health. So what account health specialist really is? It is not seller support. It is a part of seller performance team, like the one who deals with suspensions, deactivations, and performance notifications. So all the calls are logged and summarized with all the notes visible internally. Like whatever you will say, they will document it. So they don't fix problems, they document risk. For example, why Amazon schedules count of specialist call. Like, do you have a button when you click that and you call them? Then they will check repeated policy warnings on your account. They will check performance trends. They will check pre-enforcement checks, and they will see where you got confused while answering the questions. So seller confusion signals, they take note of that and they put it inside your account so that other team can see it and based on that make a decision. So the mistakes which normal people do, like when you call to them to get an answer or to get help for some question, then you over explain. They ask you one thing and you start explaining A to Z. So this is very wrong. You provide unnecessary details. You reveal risky behavior. For example, let's say it is about a violation or you're asking some information to remove intellectual property violation. You said that, yeah, okay, I sometimes buy from retail if wholesale stock runs out. So they documented that you do not know the business or you do not have invoices or like there's a suspicious activity going on. So they document it internally and then afterward you can go to a review. So second mistake is admitting about policy violations. Like, for example, you explain to them that you're doing online arbitrage plus wholesale together using unapproved suppliers, and you also have VAs or there anybody else who is sharing the account or have account access. So they ask you some information about the policy, like they share a policy to you, and you start explaining, no, I don't know, I know this, and blah blah blah. So this means they will document that you're not understanding any policies. So the issue is like your intent does not matter, even if you're doing the thing right, but what statement you give, that will go against you. So biggest mistake number three is asking the wrong questions to account health specialist. Like for example, if there is a violation, you call them and you ask them, "Am I under investigation? Will my account be suspended? Is it about inauthentic item?" This question confirms Amazon's suspiciousness. They think that you must have done something wrong and they need to go for a, you could say, deep internal review. And normally people think that Amazon account health support is like a coach. They will help you to resolve issues, but that's not correct. So you will ask for them step by step fixes for some issue. You request internal explanations. You expect them to explain you policy violations or policy exceptions, and how can you get yourself saved from these policies. So all of this goes against you because once you answer it, they will document it that you don't know anything and you're doing something wrong on the account. So on the call, what Amazon representative checks while you're talking to him, they check that how much you're aware of your business model, how much control you have of your account, how much understanding do you have about all the policies of Amazon, and what is the consistency with history of the account. You know everything. Previously, there was a VA on the account and you were not doing anything. So they check everything, and also they check your attitude during the call, like how confident you are when you are answering questions or how confident you are when you are asking questions. So this is what they do normally. So if you want to call to counter specialist, then there is a safe framework, like a safe checklist you need to do before you call them. Just check all the policies related to the issue you were going to talk. And if they ask you something, just say yes or no. Nothing else. No explanations, no speculation, no overconfidence, no emotional language. So stay within the scope of the question you are asking them, like the policy you have read and the issue you are talking about. Don't talk about other issues. Don't ask about other issues. Don't ask stupid questions. So after the call, document what was discussed, like what they told you, just document it down. Do not change your behavior suddenly. or do not change anything on the account suddenly. Monitor your account health carefully and prepare to follow up the calls based on the information they provide you earlier and mention them that according to account health specialist, we talked this and this he provided and we are working on this issue rather than just switch whatever he says on the account. No, don't. This will get your account suspected and you can go for a deactivation call. So account especially normally does not have the authority to suspend your accounts, but whatever answers you gave to them or whatever questions you asked to them, those can lead to a suspension. So subscribe for real Amazon risk education, and I will post some related videos. And if you need any help about account health, video verification, or account health assurance, then please comment and like my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.